So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to actually set up the screen record on the actual iPad. So first of all, as you can see, you click right here on the actual side where there is no actual, let's say, widget, and then you add control. Here you can see you've got many actual controls. So the one of screen recording is this one right here with the actual, let's say, roundabout. Then you just click here, and now you see you've got here the actual screen recorder. Now, as you can see, it says Microsoft off or on. This just means that if you want to record the actual screen or your voice, if you click here, you'll be able to record your voice meanwhile you start the screen record. Now, how do you do it? Basically, you are on a page that you want to screen record. You just click here and you click this button right here, the count down basically, and now it's recording. Now, once you want to stop it, you just click here and it says stop recording, and it will save it in your actual photos. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.